This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Low maintenance living on 3 Peaceful Acres. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home offers an open floor plan with a split bedroom layout, featuring 3 bedrooms and the laundry on the main level. Large porches make entertaining easy and provide the perfect place to relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The finished basement includes a bonus room, full bath, garage access, and a workshop. New roof installed less than 6 months ago. Located on 3 private acres with a small creek in a quiet neighborhood, just minutes from town and convenient to Blairsville and Blue Ridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-835-7906.